Donald Trump's motorcade making one of its final trips to the courthouse in Lower Manhattan as Trump's historic hush money trial enters its final phase. Trump's family came out in full force. Don Jr., Eric, and Tiffany there to support and attack.
He's an inspiration to me every single day, and he'll be vindicated.
Inside, lawyers on both sides delivered closing arguments, their last-ditch effort to convince the jury to acquit or convict the former president. Trump is facing felony charges for allegations that he unlawfully concealed payments to Stormy Daniels and others on his business records for the purpose of hiding it from voters ahead of the 2016 vote. Trump's lead attorney, Todd Blanche, laid out 10 points that he said dismantles the case against his client. Top of that list, the credibility of the prosecution's star witness, Michael Cohen, Trump's former fixer and lawyer.
If there was an MVP, if there was a GOAT of liars, it is Michael Cohen. Michael Cohen is the embodiment of reasonable doubt, and this entire case hinges on someone who has quite literally lied to every single person.
The prosecution defended their star witness, prosecutor John Steinglass, reminding the jury that the case isn't about Cohen or his reputation. He's like a tour guide through the physical evidence, Steinglass said. Those documents don't lie and they don't forget, in part referring to the checks with Trump's signature paid to Cohen. Checks prosecutors argue were reimbursements for the hush money payment. In a first during this 5-week trial, supporters of President Biden held a news conference outside, the group led by actor Robert De Niro, who recently voiced a Biden ad campaign.
I don't mean to scare you. No, wait, maybe I do mean to scare you. If Trump returns to the White House, you can kiss these freedoms goodbye that we all take for granted.
Chris, closing arguments were an absolute marathon, and things pick right back up tomorrow.
That's right. The defense spoke for 2.5 hours, the prosecution nearly 5. Court wrapped at around 8 p.m., Asha. So incredibly long night for this jury. They're back again tomorrow. They'll receive instructions from the judge. And then off they will go into deliberations with no time limit. And then we wait for that dramatic moment when Trump's fate will be decided by 12 New Yorkers, a former American president judged by a jury of his peers. Truly historic.
All right, Chris Reyes in New York for us tonight. Thank you.